A bank or credit union, like Greenwood Bank, could potentially implement a form of universal basic income. At least in the United States, to my knowledge, banks and credit unions have to utilize Know Your Customer technologies. This basically means that banks and credit unions are required to know the customers they're doing business with. A bank or credit union that is socially conscious and wants to help many individuals could implement a form of universal basic income for its customers, for the people that the bank or credit union has bank accounts for. The bank or credit union could have a form of an asset trust of some sort. This asset trust could invest in various assets like ETFs, stocks and bonds, so on and so forth. Half of the net profits from this asset trust could be reinvested. The other half could be distributed to all account holders at the bank or credit union and distributed in an equal way. For example, suppose the bank or credit union has 1 million account holders and half the net profit from the asset trust for 1 month is $10 million. Then in that month, each account holder would be distributed $10. This bank or credit union could, of course, also offer interest to their account holders. Interest would be based upon the amount of assets in a person's account. The universal basic income would not be dependent on the amount of assets in any one account holder's account. There are credit unions and banks like Greenwood Bank which seem to want to bank ethically. A bank implementing a form of universal basic income could use that basic income as a way to attract customers and grow in market, and also benefit many individuals. This would not be a short-term project. An asset trust would take time to grow. It may take years or decades for the basic income to become sizable enough to be, significantly helpful to pull millions out of poverty. However, the best time to plant a tree is yesterday. There could be multiple banks and credit unions that do this. So instead of ruthless capitalism, many banks or credit unions could potentially implement a privatized universal basic income. Effectively, a network of bank or credit unions could do this together. This is a theoretical idea that could benefit many.